single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Okay, Tom, your first day at TCT, your first time at TCT. You have a good time?
Yeah, we're awesome.
Enjoy it?
Really enjoyed it so much. I got to meet Prusa, got to meet Fillamentum, I got to meet everybody anyway. Bill Tapchick, she were awesome.
She ambushed you?
Yeah, ambushed me, made me frightened, and she were awesome.
Superb. So what was your highlight of the day?
Prusa PAI.
Oh, it was so unobvious that you've done that. Just casually hanging there around your neck. Prusa PAI, so you were on the Prusa stand, you enjoyed the Prusa stand?
Yeah, great. I saw the SL1, saw the details of it. I think resin smells. I think resin printers are not for me, but I want that resin printer.
Yeah, the detail looked really good, didn't it, on the parts that we saw?
I've been seeing the Hulk
face.
Mind blowing in the red and the green. Crazy.
Crazy. And you got to talk to a guy that was on that stand. I can't remember his name. He was a tall guy, kind of hat on.
Yeah, I got to meet Josie Prusa, the man himself. And he knew who I was, which to me, that blew my mind. Somebody of that sort of stature, knowing who you are, taking a look at your badge and thinking, yeah, I'm pleased and excited to meet you and talk to you, and to make you feel like you feel every time you see one of your prints come up or one of his products, that to make you feel like that in person, he doesn't have to do that, but he does do that. So I enjoyed that.
Superb. So on the filament side, so your FilamentFrenzy, obviously. So there was lots of new filament there to see. So kind of run us through some of the things that you're excited about.
I'll go through my favourite things, and then I'll go through some things that shocked me that I don't understand. My favourite things is Fillamentum Industrial, going through the industrial materials. Vertigo Grey Flex, a new green flex. Carbon nylon, you name it, they're bringing it, and it's really industrial, and they've brought it under a new umbrella, which is quite fresh. Prusa, Galaxy Black, this is awesome, can't wait to try it. PI. And the thing that shocks me is there was a few companies that all have the same material. Now, their booths were focused around this material, and to me it seemed alien that there were 6 different companies in this within 10 foot of each other that were all selling the same material with a different brand within a couple of pounds of each other's prices. To me, that seemed crazy, because the material's great, but it's not gold plated, it's not the best thing you've ever seen, so I can't quite understand it. So that was one of the things that shocked me. E3D tool changer, that looked amazing. I'm probably going to go slaver over that more tomorrow than today. Saw George at MVO Engineering and the Bondtech guys. That were quite fun. And yeah, that's it. Then we've got a special mention, and this is for Miles B. Scott on the Twitters. For those that don't know Miles is, we call him, he's a moderator on the biggest 3D printing Facebook group that there is. Me personally, I call him the enforcer, just because, well, he's a dude. Miles came with us today. Miles had been there yesterday, and Miles was like the TCT sat-nav. And Miles is a great guy. If you don't follow Miles on Twitter or on Facebook, then do so, because he's a good dude. He's got a lot to give. He's a bit nervous, he's a bit shy, but when he opens up, he's a good guy.